system, CBSE will give to them overall around development of the student who can just develop the theoretically as well as the practically. But in the state board, we can just see the only the theoretical. The student can be a our exam-oriented student can be a developed in the state board. So these are the some definition of the our education system. And if suppose we are just select the CBSE, ओके, आपण एखादी सीबीएसई स्कूल सिलेक्ट केलं की सीबीएसईला जायचं आहे, तर मग त्यात कुठल्या रँकिंगनुसार आपण निवडतो की जिथे सीबीएसई मध्ये एक्स्ट्रा करिक्युलर ऍक्टिव्हिटी होतात, कुठे आणखी स्पोर्ट्स ऍक्टिव्हिटी होतात, त्या सगळ्या याच्यानुसार आपण एखादी चांगली स्कूल निवडतो. चांगली स्कूल निवडणे म्हणजे काय? चांगली इज नथिंग बट एज अन क्वालिटी, विच स्कूल हॅज प्रोव्हाइडिंग द quality education in terms of the multidisciplinary activity. So these are the activities we are carried out in our education system. So that's why this NEP 2020 has been enabled, and the Supreme Court having very notable that the observations. So these are the two major observation has been noted by the Supreme Court. Next.